Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jisia here, your social science teacher. How are you children? Hope all are doing well, right? Today we will start a new chapter in geography, that is chapter 3, Our Changing Earth. In chapter 1, Environment, we already discussed about lithosphere. Right? So, let's recollect the concept of lithosphere. Lithosphere is a solid crust or hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals, and it is covered by a thin layer of soil. The whole lithosphere is broken into number of plates. These blocks of landmass are known as lithospheric plates. Today we will discuss about lithospheric plates and its movements. This is the picture of lithospheric plates. How can you see the lithospheric plates on the earth crust? The earth crust consists of several large and some small, rigid, irregularly shaped plates or slabs which carry continents and the ocean floor. These plates or slabs we can call lithospheric plates. These plates move around very slowly, just a few millimeters each year. Very interesting, right? Do you know why the lithospheric plates are moving? This is because of the molten magma inside the earth moves in a circular manner. The movement of lithospheric plates also causes changes on the surface of the earth. And at the same time, the earth movements are divided on the basis of forces which cause them. These forces are mainly divided into two types. What are they? They are antigenic forces and exogenic forces. What are antigenic forces? The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called antigenic forces. Do you know from where the word antigenic derived? Endo means inside. Genic means origin. That means it is the force originated from inside our earth. Do you know the examples of antigenic forces? The examples of antigenic forces are earthquake, volcano, landslides, etc. Then let's discuss about the main features of antigenic forces. Antigenic forces sometimes produce sudden movements and at the other times produce slow movements. Sudden movements are earthquake, volcanic eruptions, etc. Slow movements are also referred to as diastrophic forces. It results in changes over some time. For example, building mountains. And at the same time, sudden movements cause mass destruction over the surface of the earth. These are the main features of antigenic forces. Then let's discuss about exogenic forces. What are exogenic forces? The forces that work on the surface of the earth are called as exogenic forces. Do you know from where the word exogenic derived? Exo means outside. Genic means origin. That means it is the force originated from the earth's exterior. That means exogenic forces are external forces that are acting on the surface of the earth through many processes like erosional, depositional, etc. Do you know the examples of exogenic forces? The examples of exogenic forces are work of a river, work of sea waves, work of wind, etc. These are the main factors related to endogenic and exogenic forces. Let's conclude today's section by recollecting important concepts. Today we discussed about the earth movements. Earth movements are mainly divided into two types: endogenic forces and exogenic forces. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces. The forces that work on the surface of the earth are called exogenic forces. Endogenic forces are again divided into two types: sudden forces and diastrophic forces. Examples of sudden forces are earthquake, volcano, landslides, etc. Examples of diastrophic forces are building mountains. While exogenic forces are acting on the surface of the earth through many processes like erosional, depositional, etc. The examples of exogenic forces are work of a river, work of wind, work of sea waves, work of glaciers, etc. I hope all of you understood the concepts clearly. Children, please note that the later URLs, notes of the lesson and the test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.